subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole blog.
The Chinese smartphone maker Tecno has launched its new budget smartphone in India called Tecno Spark 8 with a unique rear camera module. Talking about the specifications, the Tecno Spark 8 features a 6.52-inch HD Plus display with 20:9 aspect ratio, and it has a water drop notch at the top center for selfie camera. Under the hood, the phone is powered by MediaTek Helio A25 chipset, paired with 2GB of RAM and 64GB of internal storage that can be further expandable up to 256GB via dedicated microSD card slot. In terms of camera, the Tecno Spark 8 supports a vertically aligned dual camera setup on the rear that includes a 16MP main camera along with the AI lens with f2.0 aperture. The rear cameras of the phone supports slow motion video recording at 120 frames per second. For selfies, it has 8MP camera with f2.0 aperture, and it also includes dual LED flash to take bright images in low light conditions. The handset runs on Android 11 with HiOS 7.6 skin on top, and it packs with a massive 5000 mAh battery. Additionally, the smartphone features an rear-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it also comes with DTS stereo sound system for better audio experience. The connectivity option on the phone includes 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, FM radio, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a micro-USB charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 164.82 by 76.05 by 9.2mm. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Tecno Spark 8 has been priced in India at 7,999 Indian rupees, and it is set to go on sale in the country starting from September 15th in Atlantic Blue, Irish Purple, and Turkish Cyan color options. So what do you guys think of this Tecno Spark 8 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys now next video.